Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Chip.
I'm Delaney.
And in today's video, we are coming with you, at you, all about you. All about us,
For
really.
you.
We're switching looks. So the idea of this video is we both chose one of our personal looks, switched it so that the other person can recreate it together, because why not?
Yeah, that's basically it.
That was the idea. So Delaney got me like this picture right here, very purpley, very sharp. So I got my tape ready. I got most of my purples. In her description, she said she used the Jawbreaker palette, so I pulled that one. But yeah, we're gonna make this purple. I love purples, so we're gonna do this.
Chip gave me some photo from, I don't even know
Years.
how old it was.
Years.
Because I see how she did her brows. I'm like, that's not how you do your brows anymore. I haven't seen you with brows like that for quite some time. But
Years.
as you can see from the photo, it's a rainbow ombre lip and rainbow eyes. So I'm like, okay, well, good thing I have been doing a lot of rainbow eyes lately. Using my paint palette from GLAMLITE. And I hope you guys aren't tired of it yet, because I know we just did it.
Alright, so I'm going to prime my eyes using the Urban Decay potion.
Then I'm still wearing the Urban Decay foundation from our try-on video, which will be prior to this video, of course. And it's still chill, still doing well. It's third video. So, okay, so the majority of this look it's gonna take me to do is probably lip. So she did similar to when we did our GLAMLITE look, but instead of doing a cut crease, she did it all over the lid. So as you can see from the photo, she had a cool eye and a warm eye. So I'm gonna do the same. And then from what I wasn't able to tell, but she did confirm on the under eye, it's the opposite. So the cool tones are on the warm lid and the warm tones are on the cool lids. So
I'm just gonna do my brows real quick using the Makeup Forever Aqua Brow in 30.
we're gonna go in with green and put it on the inner corner. I'm starting with my blending brush first. This is the Morphe M330. Get this crease going. I went into royal blue next. And then the outer corner is gonna be in the purple shade.
Okay, I'm going to carve out my brows using the NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealers in Amande and CAFÉ. Amande under the brow, CAFÉ above the brow.
Taking the shade yellow and going into the other crease so I can get this whole brush done, and then I'm gonna switch brushes and do the rest. Orange next. So easy with this palette, just say the name.
Yes.
Say the name of the color, you got it. Except for light green, that's not light green, that's teal. Just say teal. And red. Do you remember what year you did this look, Chip?
Actually, yes, that look was in dedication to the Florida shootings
in the club?
Yeah.
Oh, so what, 2018? I was gonna guess Pride, but I was wrong. More red in this outer corner here in the crease.
So,
give you very detailed instructions.
Yes.
Just click the post.
But I want to guess.
Okay.
All right.
Gonna jump into Sephora 14. Go back in with the same shades on the respective lids.
Okay, so we've got a nice dark purple going into a plum, going into like a lavender purple with a highlight, and then looks like the dark purple is buffed out on the waterline. All right, so it doesn't look like cut crease, looks like definitely all over the lid and then blended into the transition area. So we'll do the same. So first I want to do a packing and then we will do a blending.
I keep it easy. I don't bother with cut creases on my regular days.
So I'm going in with Bite Me, and I'm going to place that on the outer V of my eye.
She's using the Jeffree Star palette, by the way, the
Yes.
Jawbreaker. When she did like the outer corner, it didn't seem like she really cut or chiseled the outside, so I'm just kind of like blending it a little bit, and then when I do the lower lash line colors, I'll mix it in. But this is a rainbow look if you ever did see one. I think we should still do a video where I like guide you through the look.
Okay.
That'll be fun.
Yeah.
Put it on the eye, Chip.
Yeah.
What does that mean?
Be like, okay, anywhere.
On the eye.
All right, it's going in here. It looks a little darker. So I'm gonna go into Delicious and just a tad. Just want to darken that up just a tad.
So I'm taking the opposite colors to the other eye now, and I'm using these Morphe E18.
So then we're gonna go in with Raspberry, mixed with a little bit of Cherry Wet.
I tried to pick a look for Chip that I thought she would enjoy, and she picked a look to test me.
It was more like, don't you want to also put colors on your lips? multiple colors.
I mean, no offense, Chip, but your lips are a little bit bigger.
Well,
gives you a little bit more to
That's
work
what the good Lord gave me.
I would never do like a full rainbow eye look like this. I mean, like, you know, I'm not mad. I'm gonna jump into the liquid liner. I'm gonna use the Kat Von D tattoo liner in Trupa because I know that's exactly what Chip would use.
And then I'm gonna go in with Gumdrop. We're gonna go with Gumdrop, and then we'll figure out from there how to darken that up. Okay.
My eyes like
Gumdrop.
It's time to cry, girl. To do that little white line, I have a Morphe M250-0. Just a nice little like painter brush. You did it like under the outside wing?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, just one crisp line. You just put some mascara on, Tarte Big Ego, and then we'll prep lashes. And while those are prepping, we will put on foundation.
The white is nice. It just was not prepared. Or what it is brought liquid.
So for lashes, I'm gonna go in with my 3D Miss Volume Lash. These are my local drugstore type of, or hair store lashes. Love them. Delaney is wearing something big, bold, voluminous, and I don't have anything that is that big. Still
Those aren't even my biggest ones.
I know, girl. That I know for sure.
I'm gonna go ahead and finish up with the eyes. Chip just used a regular mascara, thank God. So I'm gonna use the Urban Decay Perversion mascara. So all the lips are from BELLEGANT.
Yes.
I have a full rainbow
How did I
set.
know that you had?
Starting from red side, we got Strawberry Slushie, then we have Pumpkin Pumpkin, Polka Dot Bikini, Limerita, Stargaze, and Nitro. I love all these lip colors by themselves. Now they're gonna be together. And then I'm just using a flat shader brush from Bodyography Pro to like blend these in because like it was like the queen of lip ombre, so it doesn't surprise me that she made this look.
And then it looks like we've got some Bite Me or a dark purple on the waterline. So I'm going to do a mixture of Bite Me and Delicious on the waterline and just buff it out. And I'm going to use my Sigma E70 brush to do so. First, let me go in with Delicious.
The blending wasn't that bad.
Good.
Actually, I don't hate it.
And to finish this all off, our lip of choice is like a dark grayish toned purple, which I had.
Rainbow lip!
So we're going in with the ABH. This is the matte lipstick in Griffin.
It feels naked without lashes.
Yeah. Go on top of that with a little bit of lavender. Okay, so I just used the Sephora number 38 in Off Limits.
That's a good one.
Yeah. That finishes. I love it. You did so good though.
I tried.
You did so good. Yeah,
It
the
took me
blend is
forever.
there. The eyes are like bam, bam.
Yeah, this would be a nice look even without parts of it.
I like it. Yeah. Yeah. This was so much fun.
It was fun.
Yeah.
We should do this like every other month.
For real. I agree.
This would be a good time.
So what do you guys think? Recreations?
I'll hold up our goal photo next to us when we do close-ups, which we will go ahead and jump into it now.
Guys.
You guys enjoyed this video. If there's anything that you see on our Instagram that you want the other person to recreate, just go ahead and comment on that post so we'll see.
Yes. Be like, Delaney, do this look, or Chip, do that one. Got you.
Let us know down in the comments if there's anything that you want us to recreate, or even for our Instagram makeup artist looks that we will be doing on a monthly basis regardless. Hit us up on Instagram. It's all sugarandspice_makeup, and you can follow us there on Instagram and Facebook, and hit that subscribe button before you go. Bye!